Hello there, mateys. How you doing today? We're doing a little cook inside today. We are cooking a goulash. What's in it? 8 eggs with milk, as if you're going to scramble them. You stir them all up, then you just start throwing things from the fridge into there. We have some potatoes. We have some cut up tomatoes. And I just threw some salad in there, not, 2 big pinches of it. We got tomatoes. And just threw it in there. Threw it in the bowl, mixed it all up, put a lot of pepper, and that's right, I did put some garlic salt in there. That'd be good. Be ready in about 20 minutes. Don't you wish you were here? And remember, this is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Jesus said, I'm the way, the truth, and life. No man comes to the Father but by me. He is the only way to the Father. There is no other way. It's only through the Son, Jesus Christ. God bless you.